this is Tim. Today we got a 2003 Blazer. We're going to be doing the blowing motor, which is right back here, which is real fun to get to. Gets you 7/32, I think, bolts. I'll double check that. But we're going to move this, you got 10mm on here, here. And down there we're going to move the overflow tank, and this is the ECM. We're going to move it too out of the way. Go ahead and disconnect your battery first thing, and let's get started. Your 1/4 inch in the back of your ECM. We're going to do those. Nice. ECM undone. Take your tank hose, kind of just put it over here out of your way, and overflow. And you got some nuts on there, 10mm. And she got one back here, I believe. Yep. Kind of get all this out of your way. Unplug your blowing motor. Move your little harness there out of the way. Plug the vent. Goes to the blowing motor. Just set it right here. And then we'll go around and do the. I believe those are 7/32. Yeah, you know. I'm going to get something a little smaller. We're also going to take this one stud right here and pinch it, pull it through down here on the bottom. Gotta get that stud out of your way. Okay, I got that stud out. You just gotta push in the bottom up underneath here. Get that stud out, that way we can do it. Now getting these bolts out, the 7/32, you're gonna have to use all kinds of different things. Long extensions, short, every way you can get down in there. They're not easy to get to. The ones on the bottom and the side there. So you just have to get it however way you can get it. Whichever is more comfortable to you. I'm going to use a long extension on this side. I got that one. Okay, now I've got two more, one on the very side and one on the very bottom. And let's see how we get all this junk out of your way if you can. That's one of the things, my pet peeves, I can't stand stuff in my way. I think on the bottom I can get it with a long extension. Yeah, I can. On the bottom you get it with a long extension. Try not to lose them. You want it to seal tight. It's blowing wind, it'll leak. You don't want that. Alright, I got one more on the very side here. See how I'm going to do this one. Alright. Might. Nope. Let me try it with a long one. Might be able to. Let's see. Yep. Alright, so you get them all with a long one. That's a good thing. Just unscrew them. Be 5 of them. Kind of move all your stuff out of the way. Like I said, take your stud out. Move it out of the way so you ain't fighting it. You don't want to fight yourself. So just pull. Kind of corner it. Woo! See that? I don't always make a racket. Dead mouse. I don't know why they get in there like that. What they do, and then they make an awful racket because they make it where it don't spin. It's oblong. It's like it's like an unbalanced washer. It's going around, boom, bam, 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 bam. So, but it probably tore out the bearings. So I'm gonna replace it anyway because having it in there, who knows how long it's been. It's probably done wore out the bearings being wobbled like that. So we're gonna get one and put a new one in. And as soon as I get that, I'll show you how that goes in. And we got a few more things to do. All right, here's a new one. You'll have to put the hose in there. Just kind of set it down in there like that. The other one has a little spout, but this one doesn't, so you just have to set it down in there. Of course, the other one has a rad in it. The new one don't. No, don't come with the rats. And of course, position it best you can in there. Like that. I got the vacuum line fixed. It was a PCV valve back here. I ran a new line right here to the check valve. Ran that, put a new 3-way on it right here. It was 7/32. So that should fix the vacuum leak on the AC. I put a new cycle switch in here because it was leaking all the way down here. You see all that oil? All the way down here. It's leaking all up underneath here. So we're going to see how that does. Well, the blower motor's doing good. No problems with it. I charge it to AC too. But blower motor's nice and quiet now. Not too bad. So another one is Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.